Hey everybody, it's your coach and colleague, Dr. Brenda Bowers, committed to the Because We Are in the World. This is a continuation for Friday, April 17th. I told you that there was a dashboard at the Milwaukee County level as it relates to the Department of Corrections providing us some transparency and some data, and they released it. So I'm coming back to you just so you can see what is released today at the Milwaukee County. We're looking at the House of Corrections, the jail, and youth detention. So I'll show you what they have up here, and then I will dig into this dashboard. It just came out, so I'm looking at it fresh with you right now. But thought I'd take a couple minutes and let's check it out together because it just came out. All right. So here we are, and we see a commitment statement first. Milwaukee County is responding with all available resources to mitigate the potential impact and spread of COVID-19 within our most vulnerable individuals, those in our care within the county's confined facilities. We take seriously our responsibility to protect the health and safety of our staff, the public, and those in our custody. We coordinate with public health officers and healthcare professionals in the county to monitor developments related to this rapidly evolving situation. Milwaukee County's Community Justice Council leadership have been working tirelessly to develop comprehensive strategies to prevent the spread of COVID-19 throughout our local justice system and the broader community. Recognizing jails and prisons are vulnerable to outbreaks of this kind, it is imperative to introduce new protective screening and isolation procedures, as well as reduce the number of individuals within our local facilities. So, a couple of things that you heard there. Recognizing jails and prisons are vulnerable to outbreaks of this kind, it is imperative to introduce new protective screening and isolation procedures, one, and reduce the number of individuals within the facilities. So this is updated today, and what you see here, I'm trying to get it as close as I can for you, next to my laptop here. Okay, so persons in our care, positive tests, persons in our care, 27 positive at the House of Correction with another 17 pending, none hospitalized, 0 deaths. In the jails, they have no positive tests with 4 pending, no hospitalized, no deaths. Youth detention, no positives, no pending, no hospitalized, no deaths. So then they're showing us Employees, House of Corrections, we have 4 positive tests. In the jail, 1 positive test, and youth detention, 0. So they have some strategies listed. Let's look at the strategies real quick. Milwaukee County has been successful in achieving the reduction of possible COVID cases in our justice facilities by doing what? Here are the key points. Reducing total jail population to 1373 from 1809, did that in December. Allowing for single occupant cells at the jail, which is indicated as a national best practice and provides for safe physical distancing. Limiting new jail admissions, no standalone misdemeanor arrests will result in the immediate transfer of individuals to the local county jail. Instead, law enforcement agencies referred the appropriate charges to the district attorney's office for review. Individuals who have contact with law enforcement agencies are given contact information for the public defender's office. Dorms at the House of Correction are being cleaned and sanitized 3 times per day instead of once per day cycle before the outbreak. Division of Youth and Family Services is screening every youth that comes in and takes their temperature and asks screening questions. Inmates who have either tested positive or are symptomatic were housed in quarantine dormitories at the House of Corrections. The House of Corrections has 80 beds that can be used for quarantine space if needed. The local health departments, Franklin and Milwaukee, are working closely with corrections officials to conduct contact tracing to ensure inmate and staff are protected. And lastly, the district attorney's office will continue to immediately review all felony cases. So that is the latest and the greatest. I know that many have loved ones that are in facilities, and it's important for us to just know what's happening. So that's what's going on. You can click the other quick facts. You can go to county.milwaukee.gov, EN COVID-19 individuals in county care. New database, we'll be tracking it. Just wanted to let you know it's hot off the press, and I was committed to getting it to you. So once again, Friday, April 17th, 2020, update on the impact of COVID in Milwaukee County Correctional Facilities. Until soon, love and peace.